In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your screen blackout. First of all, go to settings and go to my phone and look for builder. Excuse me. And when you reach there, type triple and put your password. So after that, you're going to get what we call developer option. So move down and go to system, and the developer option is on. So go down and look for quick setting developer tires. So look for sensor and turn it on. So go back and look for it on the notification tab. So it's there. So when you call someone and your screen goes black, you can turn this on. It will fix your problem. Please make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends, and remember to comment, or you can send your request in which and tell us what we can do next. See you in the next video. Merci beaucoup.